Hope everyone had a wonderful evening last night. We're gonna have an amazing trading day today. We are gonna have one. Why? Because we do every single day. Some great stocks already happening in the pre-market this morning. Let's shoot on over to the main screen and show you what's going on. Got in this ZEV this morning. I just saved 3 shares at $7.75. Move through $8. Little Heinz on the morning trade. Little catch up through. It bounced back and forth a little bit under 8, but once it went through 8, oh my gosh, look at this ZEV. Here's the move. It went through 7. Here's the move through 8 right there, and it went to 9.45. My highest sale, another one that did good, was IMV. So let me get rid of this one, ZEV. And now look, check out this IMV stock. At 218, it went through 2 right here. Here's the 2 right where my mouse is, right there. And from there, it went to a high of 225. Beautiful. What's going on in the chat room? Let's see what we did here this morning. Cheers. So this morning, last night the futures did about 290 last night on the futures. 7 contracts. Now I'm up to, I think, 15. Morning routine. Screen share. I share my screen with all the traders. MEDS is moving. Meds. TradeX Health. Nailed 100 at 68. 568 MEDS long. So ATHX is a swing pick, and DYNT is a swing pick on the gainers list. We did a couple of trades right here. 1 for 1 right there. 2 for 2 right there. 3 for 3 right there. 4 for 4 right there. 5 for 5 right there. And steady wins, because I said right here, where was it? I said it. The little ones add up, man. Right here, these little ones, $30, $40, $50, they add up. Because if you were holding one lot for it to go lower, it went lower, but then it went a lot higher, you would have been stopped out for a loss. So it wants to go to $8 more than $8.05. Which way do you think it's going to go right now? Do you think it's going to go, and I'll teach you, do you think it's going to go lower to 8? Those are all the bids. All these people want to buy. And this is the ask. All the people want to sell. And there's a lot more buyers than sellers. Which way do you think it's going to go? Is there a tendency for it to go more to 804 right here? And you're right. Or go lower to 801 and you're really wrong? Which way would you bet? Would you bet on A? Or would you bet on B? If I polled traders, and just what I did, out of 100 traders, 99 would say it's going higher, because they're all the buyers there. And it's got all that support. But the answer is it's going lower. We have to be patient and not get tricked. As the 802 dips, there's a few market makers that'll go 801, 8 easy. It wants to go to 8 more than it wants to go to 805. And there it is, 802, and they're selling into 802 right there. And right here on number 1, where the 1 is, I gave the warning not to do the trade because it may go higher, not lower. And it blasted higher, so you would have lost on that trade. And it's 802 by 803, still the same. It spiked higher and then went lower. And that's how I trade the futures, is off that stock in the level 2, because you could see the futures are to the right in this screen right here. Here's the futures right here, and I'm watching the level 2, trading that, the NASDAQ futures. That's my system. I don't have to look at a chart on the futures. I'm the only trader in the world that doesn't look at a chart on the futures when trading the futures. And it actually works. See? It actually works. So let's see here. I'm going to be very, 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 very patient today. Less trades, more accurate. Very, very accurate today. What do you got to say in the chat room? What you saying? What's going on? Hey, good morning, Mr. Marr. What's up, buddy? Hey, Mr. Water. What's up, pro traders? My calls are spot on. Yeah, they usually. I'm 5 for 5 this morning. Hey, Firebird, Brandon, D's Nuts is in the house. D's, I made Batman laugh about you, bro. He said, oh yeah. He said, yo, be careful. He sent me like a text over the week. He goes, be careful. What he said, let me see here. I made him laugh. Here it is. He goes, Barclays trading desk, load the deck on UVXY, stock and options. There's a major market dump next week projected. Trade accordingly. So I said, that's what he goes. That's what Batman said to me, right? You know what I'm saying? That's funny, right? So I go, yo, they called me this morning for a conference call. I gave him my feedback on the market to the head of Barclays. I said, yeah, sure. I said, yeah, sure. I said, thank gosh we got the D's nuts. Like Snoop Dogg. And he laughed. I said, I made you laugh. And he did. Because I laughed. I made you laugh. with the D's nuts. We got D's nuts in the room. Dude, it took a nice cross market at 803, dude. Hope you got in on that. And we got Mosey and the dumb investor in the house. We got the dumb investor here, and we got Tim. Oh, Mosey just left, dude. I mentioned his name. He jumps right off. Dude, guess what? He moseyed on along. Let's look at my gainers list this morning. That's more exciting. Hey, good morning, Pro Trader Firebird. Pro Trader Firebird just became a funded trader, guys. Passed with the MOJO help. Passed the evaluation to become a funded futures trader. Congratulations, $150,000 trading account. Didn't have to put up any capital. Easiest business he ever started in his whole careers. You better ask somebody. So we got ATHX. Look, MOJO swing pickup 2.6%. I told you about this one yesterday. I told you about that one yesterday, guys. I told you. How does my voice come in? Is my voice coming in okay? Clear? Let me listen. Hello, testing. Sound good. Let me check out my Audible. Audacity. This program I got. Yeah, it's up there, 76. All right, what else we got going on? So let me show you the list. ATHX. What's up, buddy? You came up to say hello in the list? Oh, you a little dachshund. Okay, let's go through the list. You ready? We got ATHX. That's my swing pick. Did pretty good. Pretty good. Starting to move through mini 50. It's gone 60 with a big signal right there. Looks like it may go 70, 72. You think? Nice. We got Dynatronics right here. Up 22%. Mojo swing pick. Dynatronics. Homie baloney. What do you think about that one? Homie, no kisses right now. Homie. Oh, no kisses. No kisses. Then we just sit and we're going to check our stock. Dynatronics. Daddy picked it up 22%. I did. Want to see the pick? Check it out. Look, it's on my social media. You know what social media is. You've been on there before. I posted pictures of you. Check it out. Dynatronics, buddy. Look. Look. Dude, that's Alan. You never met Alan before. Dynatronics. Here, no. It's over here, buddy. Where is it? Let me see. Dynatronics, right here, bud. Look. Right there. Look, see? Medical systems equipment. Sunday newsletter. Pick at $1.29. Increased earnings estimates for the next 2 years. Big guy, look. They're going to go from a loss of 42 to a loss of 17 to a loss of 10. You like that, right? Dude, even a dog knows that's good growth right there on a company with only 17.4 million shares in the float. Look, you got a little itch? You got a little itch? A little itch. A little itch on his eye. Look at it. Oi. Let me put you here. You got it. Go ahead. All right. Let me let him out. Go ahead, buddy. You go out. You go play with your brother. Go find your brother. Go. Go find your brother. Alright, them dogs are the best. So you go find his brother. But Dynatronics, dude, look, increased earnings estimates for the next 2 years, dude. Swing picking like a chicken. Picking like a chicken. Ain't nothing but a chicken. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Another 100% winner for the MOJ. Volume increased 731% to 1.7 million. Did it? That's 122, 138, and 140. It's 161 high, 194. 194 today. Playboy just went by right there. Playboy Group, 28.95 at 29. Did you know there's a lot of cool car companies? EVs are hot today. Lordstown Motors at 6. Look at the weekly. Stock was 31. It's based down here at 605. I like it. Lordstown Motors. It's like the car. Back here, the car was $31,000. Now the car is $6,000. It's the same car. Now is the time to buy the car at the discount. Now's the time to buy the car at a discount, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. When they dip, you buy them at a discount. Here's the other one. You ever heard of this one? Arrival. $13. This thing was $24. Right here a couple of weeks ago, $24. It's 12. It's on a 50% discount. You ever heard of this one? Hyzon Motors, Hyzon, Hyzon Motors. Look, a couple of weeks ago it was $20, $20,000 a car. Now it's $6,000 to $7,000 a car and going back up in price. This is when you want to start. You want to own a piece of that car down there. How about this one? This is Lightning E-Motors, it's called. ZEV, Lightning E-Motors. That's a cool name, right? This thing was $17,000 a car. Now it's $6,000 a car, and they want more. Now it's going about $9,500 a car. Not $9.53. Same thing, don't matter. It's all relative to the price, baby. Because you can't read this chart and tell me where this thing was going to stop. You would have said, oh, there you go, here's the bottom. There's the bottom. There's the bottom. Oh, this one's definitely the bottom. Oh, that's definitely the bottom. Well, you're wrong again. That was the bottom right here. How many times are you going to be wrong? Before, hey, I finally got it. Well, you got no money left. You got stopped out 9 times. You have no money left. Or you rode the thing down. You have no hair left. And you're sick. Your health is all messed up because you rode this thing down for many weeks. Crazy, right? Now people do the same thing. Oh, look, this is the market now. I'll ride this down for it'll come back. They don't come back, dude. They don't come back. I teach this thing in my older course. I used to say it all the time. Mike, I have someone who wants to help trading. I'd like to send them your way. Yeah, dude. I'll give them the Swing Trade newsletter and the, I'll give them both. I'll give them the combo pack. Buy one, get one free. Here you go. Done. Combo pack. BOGO. Both services for one. Done. Thank you, sir. Dude, so I used to mention this thing, dude. It's called the sleeping point. You guys know what the sleeping point is? You guys know what the sleeping point is? Not the music going on right now, put you to sleep. No, that ain't it. You know what the sleeping point is, guys? I used to teach this in my older class, not in the updated advanced MOJO, but in the older MOJO when I first started. You need to know, ooh, 994 on ZEV. It's going to 10, look at that. It's Heinz and 10, bro. Look. 997, 998, 10. Told you, always Heinz's. You could never, ever, ever, if I would have asked 100 traders, look at all that size on the ask. You think it would have gone through 10? They would have said, no freaking way, dude. It already came from 7. I'll short it going lower. And look, they're covering and they're short right now because it went through Heinz 10. Studded around 990, 995, 997. You saw how slow it was. Now look at it. It's 1020, 1030. See, that's the power of the Heinz.
Totally sweet. Awesomeness.
That's what I teach. That's what I do. That's what all my traders do. There's nothing else to do. Everything else is gambling and fun.
Sweet.
That's business.
Oh yeah, pour it on. That's awesome sauce.
Let me hear it.
That is so awesome. So much awesome. It couldn't be awesomer. Do yourself a favor. Press it again. Sweet. Sweet.
All right. They love it. They love the... You know what's another good swing pick that I did based on that Ken Slim system that's moving? It starts with an N. Are you in that swing pick? And I'll tell you what the sleeping point is. The sleeping point is the point where you lie down in the bed at night and say, holy crap, I think I better go check my quote. Or you look at a message board, or you ask someone on a message board, you think I should cover that short right now on Zev? Am I wrong? You can't sleep, you're short, you can't go to bed right. Dude, you can't go to bed right now, you're short Zev. It's way past your sleeping point, bro. You need to cut the position. You can't sleep at night and you're thinking about your position, you're an emotional trader. You got too much into it. You got to trade below your sleeping point. Do you understand? So you DGF MFH. That's what the sleeping point is. Look at my swing pick. Newellis. 450. See it? Newellis. N-U-W-E. Newellis. Mojo swing pick. Newellis. Let's go check out some of my swings, see if they worked. This one, WORX, went up 100% yesterday to $4. This one at 196 is 225. Cint at 170 is 155. Apron is on the gainers list this morning. It's at 460 from 440. WTRH is 135 at 170. It's down. You should get that one. IFMK at 135 is 130. Those are my top 6. Here's the week before. Oatly, OTLY we traded. Wish, UTI, Socket, Torch. Here's Siffy. Siffy's at 4 today. Where is Newellis? HBP, CYN, Gurn. There's ATHX. Was it in the week before? I've had it for a while. Optinose, Autobase, Zella, Verb. I gotta find Newellis. What newsletter it was in. N-U-W-E. Here it is on 725 newsletter. Right here, Newellis. They're going from a loss of $10 to a loss of 3 and a base breakout above. This was $10. It's 450 with the last 3 quarters really nice. Newellis. $803, $804 now on a SQ, firmed up nicely. I know where it can go now. It's got a high 806, low 802. It's a nice little box. So that's the sleeping point. Went over that, went over everything. Oh, look, I got this newsletter just now. And the title is It Worth It? Let Me Works It. Like that song. Is it worth it? Let me work it. But Works was my pick at 221. They're putting it out 100% higher. Now, which one's a better newsletter, dude? Right? It's a good little newsletter, though. Some good topics. But it is a little shady. SW Works gapped up 45% because it was in MOJO Day Trading's newsletter. Pro Trader Mike is the best stock picker on Wall Street, stays above the averages for 10 years. And due to his Sunday newsletter and the Ken Slim system right here of a low float of 7 million shares, it could break out over 5 and squeeze higher. But if it fails, it could create a big intraday panic. Obviously. Obviously. What are you guys looking at right now in the room? Tell me right now. Oh, there's going to be problems, dude. Tell me right now what you'll be looking at in the room with this. Oh, big problems, dude. What are we looking? Tell me what's going on right now. I need to know. Any mad traders out there? Going like this lately? Need the MOJO system, bro. Need the MOJO system. Just go on Google it, man. And go, ooh, look, AHPI is going through 11. AHPI is going through 11. Heinz right here, look. AH Allied Health Products. It's a form of MOJO swing pick as well. More than once. More than once. See if it dips. There's a 50. There's an 85. See the 50 signal at 1085 and the 38 at 1090? They both will get filled. It goes to the largest number in the level 2. So rather than buy it at 1118 and get screwed and get sucked out at 1085, he just changed it to 1086. ACB right there. You're following him around. He's at 97 right now, but the Madeira is 85, 50. Right there, watching in the level 2. So I'm patient. I'm not going to buy yet. It's going to go to the 33 right here at 1090 and then the 1085. You want to buy under him, and then it should go back up into 11, where you would buy right now and break even. How do I know this? All from looking under the hood in the level 2. I see the calibration. I see the signals, the moves, and if I miss it, I miss it. But 8 out of 10 times, I don't. And that's the name of the game. You can't be perfect all the time, as long as you're very accurate. And you obey when you're wrong and accept it. Move on. When your ass cringes and you're squeezing the chips really hard because you're losing, get out and retrade it. Or just buy it back in the loss and trade within the loss. All of a sudden, within 15 minutes of trading in the loss, instead of watching the loss for 15 minutes, you'll be break even from grinding it back because you're like, oh, it went up, I could have sold it. Oh, it went down, I could have bought it again, but it didn't come down to where I needed it. Oh, it went up, I could have sold it. Oh, it went down again, I could have bought it, but it didn't go down to where I needed it again. Oh, up, oh, down, oh, up, oh, down. And you do that 9 times, and then all of a sudden, you're like, screw it, I'm just taking the loss. Right? This is where you need to trade with the MOJO, because I've been doing it for 30 years, and I'm the one that taps you on the shoulder and says, dude, it's okay, you're wrong, let's retrade and grind out of it like a champ. That's mastery, dude. When you can save your round, and when you hit a double bogey, you come back birdie. See, it went under 11, I told you. The 1090 is going to get hit right now, and then the 1085. See? Exactly what I told you was going to happen happened within 5 minutes, and it's not over yet. Guess where it's going? To 1085. How do I know? Because he's sitting right there. with 50 waiting for it. It's called perspective. It's called it's called the MOJO perspective. So you don't chase up nothing, dude. And you know what I found? Trading this AHPI right now, you could make a move. Yeah, you could do that. But you know what I found in 30 years that I teach my traders? Listen to this. And how do I know it, guys? I know it because I've journaled it in my journal 1,000 times and more. I know you can get a better price on any stock once the market opens, rather than trading it in the pre-market. If you're like, I'm not going to get a good price, it'll never trade like that in the open market, I got to buy it now. I have found 80% and even more times you'll get a better price when the stock opens than trading it in the pre-market. And the exceptions are the ones that just like are the IMVs this morning, the other one, that went crazy, the ZEV, and this AHPI. Stocks that are just up crazy that can just continue and continue. They got their own brains. Mojo should have started the Matrix. Keanu Reeves has nothing. Mojo sees it before I do see it before anyone else. It's like I got that. I'm like sitting back with like the guy behind the camera. Hey, it's got make a right. Go down here. I could make a left. There's a door in front of you. Door in front of you. Look, it went up to 12. Did you see what it did? Rocketed. You got it, man. I think I hear someone on the Zoom. Go into my participants. No. Dyer. I wonder why Dyer's not in the traders list. Stock ripped through 12. Stock ripped through 12, AHPI. Real ripper. Hey, Emmanuel, good morning. What's up, buddy? What's SQ doing? 803 a week. Still the same. Damn. Morning, Pro Trader AM. Hey, your name's misspelled. How's that? Should be capital T. Close though. I'll change it. Done. That's how it works, baby. Pro Trader AM. else we got going on? MOJO University, good courses, dude. Thank you. Everyone likes my courses. I like them too. My MOJO University dashboard. How's that? Ooh, your first million starts here, really. Ooh, it's 8:02 again. Ooh, it's 8:02 again. Means it did a spike on the... Oh, yeah. See that? Patience. Told you the thing would come back a little bit and spike down. 8:02, baby. Nice. Let's see if it goes higher. Weak on the 8:02. Told you it wants freaking... It went to freaking 44. $12.55. $13. Ah, awesome. Oh, it ripped Batman Robin. Went to 13.20. Did you play any of that? Alan did. Well, a couple people did. Alan made $300 on 200 shares. Beautiful. Welcome back, Pro Trader Wolf, to the room. Woo, woo, woo! Mr. Wolfer. What's that IMV and the other one's doing? 235. 160. Penn's hot this morning too at 71. This FSR. Fisker. That's Fisker. That's another one of the car companies. I'll put it right here next to the other ones. FSKR. They're hot today. What is FSR? Fisker. Doesn't what's his name have one of those? Justin Bieber. Doesn't he have one of those? I think so. Yeah, it's good stuff today. You know what's really good too? The cryptos. Ethereum is 3,200 now. Going a lot higher. Oh, yeah, look at that. Ethereum. We got a little spike going on the SQQ. The week 802. Yep. See that? Just went to 46. Oh, awesome, John. Welcome back, buddy. How many years with MOJO Day Trading? How many years total with the Moj? For you. That elastic shit, don't get rid of that. You got enough room in the live chat? 24. Zev's moving. Get in on it. Do the Heinzers. Do that. Do them Heinzers, bro. Do them Heinzers. I got many computers working, much action. Alright, see that? It's moving. I'll go 45. Done. Lonfin 45 right there. Now it's even. 802 even with 803. See it? Zoo-doo-doo-doo-doo will make 40 bucks. What is that, 43? Alrighty. Maybe we'll make a little less than 40. We'll see how much patience I have. I don't have much. About a year and a half. Oh, you changed your avatar. Very nice. I thought it was longer than that. I thought it was longer. How come everyone's with me at 43? What is that, the good number for it to cover? Zev. Gotta definitely keep an eye on that one today. Right here, 990. I want to be flat like on the open right here. Just want to see if I can get a quick trade in. That's about it. Not really moving. Here we go. I'll take this right here. Done. $25. Filled. Take it. Done. Filled. Out. 25 bucks. Let's wait for the open because I don't want to be trading and have no swinging dinging on that open. You know why? Because they don't need to. That's why. They don't need to. When you're a sniper and you're like pinging people, down, 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 dude, it's easy. But when the whole bull's run and the whole crowd's there, dude, you gotta like pull back and be like, just wait, dude. Wait for your opportunity. You want to gamble? Go ahead. Get short that Nazi right now, baby. 803, 804. See how much it pushes on the upside. AHPI did that. 12.20. Went to 13, down $1. Buy here, keep it above 12. Next stop 11.77. AHPI right here. Fell $1. It's going a little lower though. It already feels like the market's open. We're moving on a lot of things. You know what I'm saying, guys? Doesn't it feel like the market's open already? Right? I know, it feels like the market's open. Yatish, D-Swiss. 803 cross market. That was a good one. I should have held. Big deal. What you gonna do? Didn't want to held into the thing, to the open. Scooby-Doo-Doo. The number one best trader says gap trading looks to profit from the change between one day's close to the next. This opening gap price is a void which often fills or continues based on support and resistance and the underlying reason for the gap. Yeah, just do it to your sleeping point. Don't hold too many shares. See, that's what I answered right there to number one best trader right there. I said, they said gap trading looks to profit from the change between one day's close to the next. And I wrote, very nice. Just make sure you control your sleeping point and don't hold too many shares that makes you not sleep, and check charts, message boards, etc. That's how it works. What else is moving, dudes? What else is moving? D-Swish, you're taking up a spot on the... There's only 25 people that could be connected on the chat. FULC? Really? No way. Why did I just pull that one up? Here it is. $13. Fulcrum Therapeutics. Very risky. Let's just watch the ones we've been watching with the volume. ZEV, IMV, 218 stopping station right here. 218 and lower. It may bounce back up. If not, it's dead for the day. Hear that, dudes? Hear that? SIFI's 405. It's another one of my swings. SIFI Technologies. 802 week. See, glad I sold. Let's see what them futures do at the open. It's gonna be a big bounce. I'm just chilling, watching, dudes. Just watching, dudes. Don't be fancy. Even though I want to take the trade right here, it looks like it wants 801, right? Just gotta wait and be patient. 802 getting weak. 1 minute to the opium. Don't be hesitant to call out no trades, Alan, Batman, and the rest of the group. Moderate it up, baby. Call out them Heinzers. Call out what you're doing. Look at that 801. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Fancy Dan. Hoo, hoo. I wanted to press the button so badly right there, but I didn't. Right at that 48. Dropped 3 points. Ba-di-da-dee-da. What do we got going on? Here we go, and we're off. Looks like we're going 803, 804. Yep. Big drop. Filled and out. $280. I'll take it. See if we can do it one more time. Just wait a minute. There's the 801. Let's see if we can go strong 802, 803 again. Otherwise, it's going to go to 8. Here it comes. Cover one up here, done. One there, done. Two left, one left. Very nice. 803, done. Up 500. Holding, one left. Done. 804, beautiful. 805. I'm out. I'm out. Nice, dudes. Yeah, boy.
Nailed it, bro. You nailed it.
Nice.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Nailed it.
Look at that red drop and bam, schlang and boom I just did, dudes. Red banging, schlau banging, boom, dude. $655 on that trade right there. I'll take that done for the day. That's how Mojo rolls. That's how Mojo, I'll take that 655 right there. When I get on the other side. Ooh, 590, very close. Two of them, very close, close. Very close, close. 595 and 655 on them first two bangers. I like it. 595, 655. Let's see if we take a big old drop down to 801 again. Otherwise, done for the day, baby. Shutting it off. That's what Mojo does. That's what Mojo does. Yep. Yep. Ooh, 806. It's like rolling. Nice Mojos. Make sure I got no more orders out there. Ooh, look at that, Mojos. Big roll. Big roll. Dun. KXIN Mini? Yeah, I don't like it. I traded the other day, I didn't make money in it. Batman. AHPI is 1330. Really big move on that one. $13.70 now on AHPI. Ride's moving too. RIDE at 610. This one ATHX. AHPI. Dynatronics. Those are all the hot ones right here, the hundreds I just printed, so you can watch. Any ones that are going to go up, we're going to add. This one, Dynatronics, is up. Add 500. Anyone that goes up, we're adding. Ride, adding. And AHP, add 100. There we go, another one, add another 100. This one, Ride, is up, add 100. Just watching the P&L. I'm not even looking at the chart. I'm not looking at the level 2. I'm just watching the P&L. This one's up $40, $60, $70, $80, $100. When it's at 100, I'll sell half. 80, 86. Damn, I'll sell 86 again. Done. Sold half at $86. Ride up $8. Gonna add 100. ATHX up $1. Gonna add 100. See that? That's how you do it, dudes. Just like the kind of futures, man. Oh, look, this one's up $7 now. Means it's moving. Gonna buy 500. Dynatronics up $10. Look at that. Gonna buy 500 there too. It's moving. That's my swing pick, Dynatronics. AHPI, look at that, $41. I'm out. Sold it. Dynatronics. Beauty. I like it. Buy 500, 500. 2,000 Dynatronics. AHPI, big winner today. Alright guys, that was a good Mojo show today. We traded nice. Good morning. How we doing over there? Anything going on in the chat room? Zev, you doing the Zev? HPI, big winner, $14.80 now. Going into 15. Big winner for you there, Alan. Good job, buddy. $8.06 now, $8.07 on that one. See if we get a little dip. Nothing's moving. Should go 7 and 8. Maybe. Dow's up 40, comp's up 13. You're really gonna go 803, huh? Piece of fucking shit. Strengthen up 3. There you go. There's 4. I'm about to cut it. I'm gonna stop on that one. Too close. Up 400. Should get a pull right now into 4. Here it comes, up 500. Take a couple of them off. Seems to be the box on it right here. It wants 8. There's bigger people there. Buy some back in a loss. Here's my 2 testers, the one at 47. Right back to 3. Alright, they're ticked to 47. We're going to get hit on a couple here. Told you. Needed that. Needed that one. Looks like we're going to be playing it in this little box up here through 50. Right at 50. Looks like it's going to 4. Dow's up 50. It's up every day for it's just never down. It's amazing. All right, we're getting filled up here, up 500. Good. 4 left. Beauty. They just took that one. 3 left. I'm in the lawn for ready. I'm in the lawn for right now, Mr. Brad. In the lawn now. And it looks like it's going 8:05. Beautiful. Got one left. We drop down to 8:02. We'll do it again. Right, here's the 8:02. We're selling it. It's practically there now. $8:01 again. $51. Amazing how it bounces around, huh? Any kind of push? Come on now. Can you strengthen up on 8:02 now and go 8:03, 8:04 again? That'd be nice. Maybe not.
Like, can I run the vacuum?
Yeah, in a minute. There's 8:03. Yes. Not a lot of action with the trading, guys. A little bit with the futures. Back to 801. Told you it wants freaking 8. Crazy, huh? Be careful right here at this level. Like a freaking magnet. Gonna hold the 801 or no? Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. I'm going to end the Mojo Show. Thanks for watching today. It's been some great trading. Peace, keep it profitable. See you on the next show, guys. Later. Let's see here. How about this?